Discover the hidden revenue streams for online courses. Let's find the world of online courses and the hidden money-making opportunities that anyone can tap into. When it comes to making money online, we often think of affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or starting a YouTube channel. But there's another lucrative opportunity that's gaining popularity rapidly: online courses. In the past few years, we've seen a massive shift towards online learning, and it's opening up doors for individuals to create and sell courses teaching others their skills and expertise. Be helpful. It's not necessarily a requirement. What's more important is having a passion for teaching and sharing your knowledge with others. Another common misconception is that online courses are only for tech-savvy individuals. But the truth is, with the right tools and platforms, anyone can create an online course, regardless of their technical skills. Many people also think that creating an online course requires a huge upfront investment of time and resources. And while it's true that creating a high-quality course does take effort, it's not as time-consuming or expensive as you might think. With the right strategy and tools, you can create a course in a matter of weeks, not months. And finally, some people assume that online courses are only for big-name influencers or established authorities in their field. But the truth is, anyone can create a successful online course regardless of their level of influence or reputation. So, what's holding you back from creating or selling online courses? Is it fear of failure, lack of technical skills, or uncertainty about where to start? Whatever your reasons may be, I want to assure you that with the right mindset and strategy, anyone can succeed in the online course market. So, what makes a successful online course? It all starts with identifying a profitable niche, an area where people are willing to pay to learn. For example, if you have experience in marketing, you could create a course teaching others how to use social media for business. Or, if you're passionate about health and wellness, you could create a course on nutrition or fitness. The key is to find an area where you can offer unique value and expertise. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. This could include video lessons, downloadable worksheets, or even live sessions. The key is to make your content informative, entertaining, and easy to consume. You should also focus on building a community around your course where students can interact with each other and get support from you. Another important aspect of creating a successful online course is understanding your target audience. Who are the people that will be taking your course, and what are their pain points and goals? What motivates them to learn, and what will keep them engaged throughout the course? By understanding your audience inside out, you can create a course that meets their needs and exceeds their expectations. Identifying a profitable niche, creating engaging content, and understanding your target audience are just a few strategies for creating a successful online course. But what about selling your course and getting it in front of potential students? That's where marketing and promotion come in. You could use social media to promote your course, or partner with influencers in your niche. You could also use email marketing, paid advertising, or even affiliate marketing to reach a wider audience. One of the most effective techniques for increasing course sales is to offer a free introductory lesson or a free mini course. This allows potential students to get a taste of what your course is about and see the value you're offering. Another technique is to use webinars to promote your course and build trust with potential students. You could also offer a money-back guarantee or a free consultation to potential students. When it comes to engagement, one of the most effective techniques is to create a community around your course where students can interact with each other and get support from you. You could also use gamification such as quizzes, challenges, or rewards to keep students engaged and motivated throughout the course. Please subscribe to my channel because I'm looking to on with the info. In conclusion, creating and selling online courses is a lucrative opportunity that anyone can tap into. By identifying a profitable niche, creating engaging content, understanding your target audience, and using the right marketing and promotion strategies, you can create a successful online course that generates passive income and helps others achieve their goals. Thanks for watching. If you've had any experience with online courses, leave a comment below and share your story. And if you want to learn more about making money online, be sure to check out my other video on affiliate marketing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on making money online. For all of you that stayed to the end, this is for you a great video that shows the best way to build a course. I'll leave a link in the description and in the comment section. Thanks again.